Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail?
Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs and curious people. The Zontes 703 models delivers outstanding braking precision. But did you know you can fine-tune the front brake lever for the perfect grip? Whether you're optimizing for comfort, control, or responsiveness, this quick adjustment ensures a smoother ride. Let's dive in. As well as having an adjuster for lever travel, the 703 models also have a fine adjuster to the master cylinder. So wherever you set the brake lever position, you get an instant response from the master cylinder, which in turn gives you instant front brake response, even when your lever has been positioned further away from your hand. Some riders adjust the brake span, turning the dial clockwise, which moves the lever closer, making braking more effortless. Ideal for riders with smaller hands or those who prefer quicker engagement. Rotate it counterclockwise and the lever moves outward, giving more reach and modulation. A great choice for riders who need firmer control at higher speeds. But to also be able to fine-tune the piston to the master cylinder gives more choice to the rider. Zontes gives you the choice. Until next time, Mad, Mick.
While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists.